Well, we're here at Trilobites, which is not the same as Trouble with Tribbles on Star Trek, but apparently there were a lot of these guys, and I guess this was underwater millions of years ago, and you can stop and read that. And it says, "You are here. Follow the trail 2.5 miles to the Trilobites digging area." Or 0.25 miles. So that sounds better. I might do that. So which way does the trail go here? Let's see. We're on the trail. It says it's only a quarter of a mile. So, and it's marked, so that's pretty good. And maybe we'll find a fossil. All right. And me personally, I am a fossil, but that's another story here. So, all right. Well, I have my pickaxe here. Did a lot of digging here, broke a lot of shale, couldn't find anything. So I guess it's the end of the trail, and there's another road that comes up here. It's maybe closer to the highway, but I don't know if there are any sweet spots here. It looks like people just dig a hole and start looking here. So there's some brown over here. All right, I'm going to keep looking. Well, I've been digging some more. Didn't find anything. I could be digging here all day, but got to get back on the road. It's already noontime. So it's supposed to be all these trilobites, or whatever you call them, found nary a one. Just not around here anymore. Dig down here. Not find anything. No, I'll be here all day. It's work. Okay, let's get going here. Find a trail here. The other day at Garnet Mountain, broke a lot of rocks. I think I found one that had a tiny garnet in it. You need almost a magnifying glass, and I don't even know if I'll be able to get it out of the rock. But I brought bringing the rock home. But here, to get the fossil stuff, I dug and dug and dug, and found a lot of shale. Got more dirty, more thirsty, and nothing to show for my efforts. Sigh, I'm disappointed. But hey, it's all in the trying. You gotta try, win or lose. All right.